Any two numbers with the product of 1 is called reciprocal. Today, that's what we're going to be looking at. So let's look at our first problem here. I need to determine the reciprocal of 2/3. Now, to find the reciprocal of 2/3, that means that I must find a product that when I multiply 2/3, it will then equal to 1. So, what I must do here is flip 2 and 3. When we say flip, we're actually finding a reciprocal. So 3 will be written on the top, and 2 will be written on the bottom. 3 is now the numerator, and 2 is now the denominator. For the first example, what I'm going to show you is when I multiply 2/3 times 3 over 2, it equals to 6 over 6. Or, in this case, 1 whole. I now know that I've found my reciprocal. So, as we continue to talk about problems today, 2/3 reciprocal is 3 over 2. Keeping in mind that any two numbers with the product of 1 is called reciprocal, as I explore 1/8, I want to find the reciprocal of it. To do so, all I'm going to do is write my denominator now as the numerator and my numerator as the denominator to make it 8 over 1. I notice that whenever you have a fraction 8 over 1, it equals to a whole number, in this case, 8. I know that the reciprocal of 1/8 is actually 8 wholes. Finally, what happens if you're given a whole number to work with? Think about in the past when we multiplied fractions and a whole number. Well, first, I need to write my whole number as a fraction. To do so, 5 will be our numerator, and 1 will be the denominator. Because I have my whole number as a fraction now, I can find a reciprocal. So 5 over 1 in its reciprocal form is actually 1 over 5, or 1/5. So the reciprocal of 5 whole number is actually 1/5.